In today's demanding manufacturing environment, keeping production lines running is critical. A study by Maintenance Technology shows how up to 20% of profits are lost due to unplanned downtime. Motorola Solutions technology helps minimize downtime and allows your business to flourish. In this plant, an alarm and control system connects production machinery to the two-way radio network. So when oil pressure gets low in one of the machines, an alarm is triggered for maintenance. Production continues while a message is sent to the plant technician. He receives an automated warning from the machine for urgent maintenance, conveniently supplied as a ticket on his MotoTurbo radio. Now he can deal with the problem, attending to the machine quickly before it fails and causes lengthy downtime. Productivity is maximized thanks to Motorola Solutions technology. But now supplies are running low on the production line. Staff must act quickly to avoid downtime. The production supervisor uses his MotoTurbo radio to communicate directly with purchasing, who have Wave-enabled smartphones and PCs. An urgent call is made with the supplier across town. In no time, the parts are ordered, and because the factory truck is equipped with a GPS-enabled MotoTurbo radio, it can be tracked throughout its route. When it arrives at the plant, the receiving workers are ready to unload the truck without delay. Another potential issue resolved quickly without downtime for maximum workflow and revenue. Versatile and powerful, MotoTurbo radios equip your workers with the right device for their needs and environment. Sleek and smart, tough and rugged, they're ready to transform plant operations with voice and data capabilities, plus a full complement of accessories and applications. Now, everyone in your company can communicate with one voice, enhancing safety and increasing efficiency.